Hey, Rob Haynes with Garmin here. Did you know JL Audio has a new slam pack for the 2019 to 2024 Razor Pro models? If not, check out this video. The new slam pack from JL Audio for the 2019 to 2024 Razor Pro models is a complete audio package. And what's great about the slam pack is that it uses all existing mounting locations and holes, which means it's a simple install. You don't need to drill any holes. You don't need to cut anything. Everything mounts in place with the included hardware to existing brackets or locations in your vehicle. To also keep the installation simple, it's completely plug and play. The system includes all of your harnesses, Deutsch style connectors to make your plugs nice and easy, and a complete weatherproof tight connection. Really makes the install simple, so whether you're a pro or a novice, you can easily get your Razor sounding great. Additionally, we know some Razors come with the ride command source unit and some do not, so we have two different options of our slam pack. One that comes with a Media Master MM55 source unit if you don't have the ride command source unit, or a version that comes with an interface that will tie into that factory ride command radio and give you the necessary outputs to feed your two MX amplifiers that come in this slam pack. On top of that, we have two speaker options as well, depending what your budget may be. First, we have our top of the line premium M6 Marine coaxial speakers, two pairs, a pair in the dash and a pair in the rear of the vehicle, in custom enclosures that are designed for these Razor models. And if your budget doesn't allow the M6 speakers, we also have an M3 solution. M3 has been a legendary line. It's based on our M6 DNA, just strategically scaled back a bit to bring the price points down without compromising that JL Audio performance. These kits also include a pair of Silk Dome Marine tweeters as well to get some extra high frequency when you have your helmets on. So no matter what your budget allows, we've got you covered with M6 or M3 speakers, with ride command source units or without, and legendary JL Audio performance for your Razor Pros. So once again, if you want to learn more about our JL Audio Slam Pack for the 2019 to 2024 Razor Pros, visit jlaudio.com. Thanks for watching.